Hi, this is Carmen Johnson for AOC1 Week 3, Project 3 discussion. I'll jump right into it. What did I do for this project? As you can see in this project, we're pretty much just putting some output um, by using the alerts, the strings, and using pretty much all numbers for this right here with very little text output for this. So I will start by running it. Okay, and you'll see it run. There we go. Okay, now the first part that you've seen was the hello friend welcome, which will also show at the end of when the application is running. So alert that you see, the total is 22. And with that, this part right here is running the function called add. So it's adding the 12, integer 1, and int 2, which is 10, adding it together, and you will see that it shows that the total is 22. So I hit OK. Alert, I'm sorry, 20 is not equal to 21. This is the comparison that's going right here for the int number 3 and int number 4. It's comparing the two, and the result, it is telling you that 20 is not equal to 21. Okay? So, awesome. 6 is equal to 6. It is also showing right here that 6 is equal to 6. It is showing what is working in the if part. The first part that you've seen was the else part, which is showing you the 20 plus 21. So that's what it's showing on that. And then alert hello friend welcome, which is up here, which is showing. And there you go from there. So it shows the displaying using the alert calling append with NSS strings. The work is done right here, as you've seen from the app. Then I compared the two ints to show results of if conditional. But first you did see the compare two ints to show what happens in the else conditional. Right, it created a function called add, add amount. See that? And then I created the Boolean. Okay, you can see that. The return yes or no based on whether the values are equal. Add two integers together. Seen that. Call the append function with two NSS strings. And you've seen that, which is all the code work that's above. Creating a function called append that takes two NSS strings and return NS string containing the appended strings using the NS string mutable string and append method, and you've seen that. So that's what that was right there. Okay, so the next question is explain how you use function separation to logically separate your application flow. It's a tricky question, but the way that I did that, I separated my functions, as you can see in the little brackets, curly braces, so that way you can see the separation of the functions to show you the flow of how everything is. So in these braces, I have this right here, and you can see within it all that action that's going on in it. Okay, and so that's how I separated everything to show the application flow. List a few things that you think could use more clarification. It was pretty straightforward on most of it. This part, I don't know if I answered question 2 right, because it really wasn't clear enough for me, and I couldn't find out anywhere online to totally explain this. So I explained it according to what I thought that it meant as far as function separation that logically separates your application flow. I hope I got it right. So what do I think I could have done better? I could have done a little bit, probably some cleaner work on the coding. I also could have cut back on leaving so much on the statements, you know, because it kind of got a little bit crazy in there. So those are some of the things I think I could have done. And I will work on that on the next time. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys for Project 4 discussion. Bye.